Hey there, future inventors. Have you ever wondered, what is a robot? Well, today, we're going on an exciting adventure to find out. A robot is a machine that can think, move, and do tasks all on its own or with a little help from humans. From vacuuming floors to exploring space, robots are everywhere. Every robot has special parts. Sensors help them see and feel, motors help them move, a computer brain helps them think, and batteries give them power. Just like we need food for energy, robots need power too. There are all kinds of robots. Some clean our homes, some help in factories, some explore space, and some even act like pets. Robots don't have feelings, but they can follow instructions. Some are super smart and can even learn new things using artificial intelligence. The future of robots is amazing. One day, robots might help us fly cars, cook meals, or even take care of us when we're sick. Robots are changing the world, and maybe you will build one someday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.